Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Wi-Fi with your Verizon Fios router, follow these step-by-step instructions for proper wireless network configuration. Step 1. Connect your Fios router to the ONT optical network terminal using the provided Ethernet cable. The ONT is typically installed on an exterior or interior wall. Step 2. Plug the power adapter into the router and an electrical outlet. Wait several minutes for the router to fully boot up and establish connection. Step 3. The router indicator lights should show steady white or green when ready. If lights are red or amber, wait longer or check connections. Step 4. Connect a device to the router using the default Wi-Fi network name and password printed on the router label, or use an Ethernet cable for initial setup. Step 5. Open a web browser and go to myfiosgateway.com or the IP address shown in your router documentation to access the admin panel. Step 6. Log in using the default admin credentials found on the router label or in the documentation provided by Verizon. Step 7. Navigate to wireless settings and create your custom Wi-Fi network name and a strong, secure password. Enable WPA3 or WPA2 security. Step 8. Save your changes and reconnect all devices using your new Wi-Fi credentials. Test internet connectivity on multiple devices to ensure proper setup. Consider optimizing router placement for best signal coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.